Baji Prabhu's sacrifice 1. Afzal Khan had attacked Shivaji's Swaraj and he tried to kill Shivaji too. But Shivaji was clever and was ready for this. He attacked Afzal Khan back and finally it was Shivaji who killed Afzal Khan. Afzal Khan was Adil Shah's most powerful general and all of Bijapur was shocked. And Shivaji's activities did not stop. Shivaji moved ahead and captured Panhara fort. He also captured the fort of Vishalgarh, which was 60 kilometers northeast of Panhara, and also the fort of Vasantgarh. Adil Shah was so angry. He didn't know what to do. Shivaji just had to be stopped. He held an emergency meeting with his courtiers and then approached Siddhi Johar for help. Adil Shah pulled all his resources together and sent Siddhi Johar against Shivaji. Siddhi was given brave warriors to help him and was told to destroy Shivaji. Siddhi Johar took 20,000 soldiers on horseback and 40,000 foot soldiers and marched on Shivaji's Swaraj. Along with him was Afzal Khan's son, Fazal Khan. Fazal Khan wanted to take revenge of his father's death. At the same time, Shaiste Khan also attacked Swaraj. Shaiste Khan was Aurangzeb's uncle. Aurangzeb was the Mughal ruler. So Shivaji Maharaj had to deal with two strong enemies at the same time, the Mughals and Adil Shah. Shivaji Maharaj knew he was in a fix. He quickly started making arrangements for war at Panhara fort. Siddhi Johhar's men came fast. They quickly stood in a circle around the fort of Panhara. All of Siddhi's soldiers surrounded the Panhara fort. No one could come into the fort or go out now. Shivaji Maharaj was trapped inside his own fort. Shivaji thought that this siege would be lifted when the rains came, but it got even tighter. Shivaji's general Netaji Palkar attacked the fort from outside. The Marathas in the fort attacked the siege from inside. Their plan was, with two attacks, the siege would not be as strong and Shivaji Maharaj could escape. But Siddhi Johar was experienced and was ready for this. He sent an extra army on Netaji Palkar and defeated him. The siege of Panhara was not at all disturbed. Shivaji could see all this from the fort. So, his plan of escape had failed. The food stored in the fort was getting over. The brave Marathas on the fort could not last long without food. They would all die of starvation. Maharaj was really worried. Because of the siege, he could not even get news from outside. Once the monsoon was over, Siddhi would attack with extra forces. Something had to be done quickly. Jizabai was also very worried. Her spies could not get information about Shivaji. Shaiste Khan was disturbing Swaraj too. Shaiste Khan had moved to Pune and was living in Lal Mahal, which used to be Shivaji and Jizabai's home. Each day there were new problems.